Sorry. Good morning. Amy and I are giggling because Amy just said, so this is you talking about you. So I'd say, this is me talking about me. No, I'm sorry. I'm not going all superstar-y on us. Good morning. We haven't done one of these videos for ages. Certainly this is our first new one in 2020. And I've been busy. I've been really busy. I've been finishing things. I finished this. Now, you'll see me in a lot of videos in a Kid Silk Haze jumper, identical to this. You can knit it in either or. And I decided to make it in Rowan Felted Tweed. It is Gemma, designed by Sara. Now, I wear the mohair one loads, so I wanted to make this. Now, I think I cast this on, I think in March. For some reason, it ended up lying in a bag, and I didn't really do a huge amount with it. And then I picked it up beginning of December when I wanted something quite simple to knit. You know me, I don't do anything particularly complicated. Don't have the brain power. Not sure I have the skills, to be honest, but this is what I did, and I loved it. Felted Tweed is, it's the yarn. If you ask a Rowan designer what their favourite yarn is, I reckon 90% of them say Felted Tweed. It's beautiful to knit with. It's just, I loved it, and I love this pattern. I will wear, I've already worn this. I finished it just before Christmas. I'm looking at Amy for, I can't actually remember, but I've worn it loads already. It's the right length. I like the sleeves. I like everything about it. So you're going to see me. In fact, I did come in the day after I finished it thinking, oh, I might do another one. But I'm not sure I can face doing exactly the same again. I've also finished something else. The Betwixtmas. Now, this was our Christmas make-along to make in Betwixtmas, in between Christmas and New Year. An exclusive Black Sheep Wools pattern designed by Carol Meldrum. You bought a kit, or you could just download the pattern and make it in whatever you want. This is in King Cole alpaca, which was just gorgeous. $6.99 a hank, the King Cole alpaca, and feels so much more expensive than that. Now, I'll be honest, you start it here at this end. I did start and undo mine a couple of times because I don't know why, I just couldn't get my head into it. But once I did, oh my goodness, I probably did this bit about 3 times, and then the rest of it just flew off the needles, and I love it. It's a great size, it's a great shape. I've got a tan colour jacket and it looks lovely with it, and I do really, really, really like this. It just feels really soft and squishy. Now, I have started something new, but my justification for starting something new is that it was something old that I then ripped back, and I've started something else. So, do you like my classy knitting, my Aldi knitting bag? It was the only thing really big enough. So this was what I started. I don't know if you remember. I started a mitered square blanket. Probably November time. Did that in a weekend, loved it. Sorry, I believe in bringing my dogs to work. And I loved, and then I don't know why, I picked it up to do it in between over Christmas, and I just thought, I don't want to do that. So, it's changed. This is it. Oh, don't want to lose that. So, on my trusty Knit Pro, not displaying this very well, sorry, Amy's very good at stuff like this. I'm not very good at stuff like this. So, this is what it's now become. It's not a mitered square. It is a really simple stocking stitch blanket with a nice garter stitch border. I love it. I love the colours. It's in Chunky Monkey, which I've got a nice ball of Chunky Monkey somewhere. Catch. Oh, thank you, Sara. You can see Chunky Monkey, which is from Shapiers. It is lovely. It really is a nice yarn. It's round and fat, and it's an acrylic. It's a premium acrylic. It feels, you wouldn't believe it was an acrylic when you feel it knitted up. It has, sorry, I keep finding jasper and poppy hairs everywhere. It has fast become one of our best-selling yarns, and it was only launched last year, probably beginning of the summer last year. There are over 90 colours, I think, maybe 89. There's lots of colours anyway. And I'm doing this on a 5.5mm needle. I tend to be a little bit tight, so whether you do it on a 5 or, I'm not sure, but I love this, really, really, really love this. There are 116 metres. The recommended hook size and needle size, because it's also brilliant for crochet, is 5mm, but I prefer it slightly bigger. And the colours, but look, this will be available as a kit when I've finished it, hoping to finish it over the next few weeks. But again, just really mindless knitting, and you know I quite like mindless knitting. I'm just going to see. There's nothing. Oh, there's something here, but I can't show you because it's not been launched yet, so I can't show you that one. But no. Oh, do you know what? I don't know. Have I ever shown you these? These are the best snips in the world. There you go. My hand is sewing up. If you've not tried these Kahana snips, they are utterly, utterly beautiful. Manufactured by Kahana, and just really, really, really love it. I get a real buzz every time I use those. Yeah, and so that's what's been keeping me busy. So not as many projects as usual.